Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan has rubbished the rumor about replacement of Chief Minister, which is doing the round in various social media platforms lately. He made the statement during the one-day interaction program on Entrepreneur for Next Generation, organized by Anobus Henmitlon under the aegis of Department of Fishery, Agriculture, Horticulture, Handloom and Textile and Veterinary, held at YDC Community Hall of Yurembam, Awang Lekai. Speaking at the event, Minister Ranjan clarified that the speculations about replacing Chief Minister, which is circulated in various social media platforms, is unfounded. He further claimed that there is no fallout among the ministers of state government. Meanwhile, Minister Sapam Ranjan claimed that pineapple produced in the state are very much sought after by people from various states. He further maintained that if the farmers in the state could produce pineapples and other agricultural produces for export to other countries, it will directly bring benefits to the state's economy. He also appealed to the people to refrain from deforestation. President of Anobus Henmitlon, Khaidem Ingocha, SDC Patsoy Irom Nirmal, and President of Yelhomi Kanbalup, Yemkal Loken Angom, among others, attended the program.
Speculations media ke me kano se yang po se confirm to ro kano to usugum karim ta leite karim ta hoje adu ki kaim ta kano to leite masa ki ngarang honorable MLA ani zo masa ki personal thaba ki sat pane zo yes ada yaragadi leaders me apga appointment ka lawni hai adu bo ate na ta bidang nahan khabar ama da adu to do re ada to do re have do this is all false.